What's up, Bougie babes? It's your girl, Suzie B, back again with another video. And today, I will be doing a look. I will be showing you my Ivy Park pieces, and I'll be talking about the process. So if you're interested in seeing how I got the Ivy Park items that sold out in seconds, also seeing how I did this inspired look, and at the end, I'll even try on the pieces for you. So if you're interested in seeing that, just keep on watching. Woo! So last week, or whenever that was, or 2 weeks ago, whatever, Beyoncé dropped her Ivy Park release or whatever. And this is really what irritates me. I don't understand. I mean, I guess it makes good business sense for her to drop her brand the way she does. Like, literally it drops, it sells out. Some people can get some stuff, some people can't. You like race and you get it and it's just a quick money grab, I guess. But like, these are really nice pieces and other people will want to buy these. So like, why not always have it in rotation? I don't know, but I guess it's the exclusivity of it. So yeah, I love a good exclusive, so I hopped on. So usually, ordinarily, I wouldn't because they're so expensive. But it was like a voice in my head, also my friend, but like a voice in my head was like, "Girl, like, treat yourself." And myself said, oh, okay. And I see, click. So, okay, boom. Let me tell y'all the story how it really went. I was texting my friend, and my friend was like, Ivy Park dropping today. Are you going to get some stuff? I was like, I ain't really thought about it, and I really wasn't, but like, F it, how does it work? She was like, so you just go in and you put stuff in your cart, and whenever it's time to release, you could just quick buy. She was like, but you have to work quick because if you don't quick buy, this stuff can be gone or whatever. So putting it in your cart does not hold your spot. Just a tip for next release. Putting it in your cart on the site does not hold the stuff to you. You just have to buy it. You just have to be that quick, right? So I'm like, okay, cool. So this was early in the morning when I did this, maybe like 9 or 10 o'clock. So I don't remember the exact time of when it dropped, but I remember I was in the kitchen and I was cooking it. Man, maybe it was like 3 or 4 or something like that. And I remember texting my friend, I'm like, 15 minutes. Like, get your fingers ready, girl. Click, let's buy, right? I'm all amped. Literally within 15 minutes, I forgot I sent that text message. I'm cooking, A whole hour passed, fam. A whole entire hour passed. And I was like, what? I'm supposed to be doing something? Everything. I'm talking about everything. Everything was sold out and I got nothing. Zip, zilch, zero, not a mucho. I didn't get anything. I was so mad. But then I was like, that's God. That God was like, sis, you don't need that. You do not need that. And I was like, you're right, fam. You is correct. So then later that night, probably like 7 or 8 o'clock, my friend texted me, was like, hey, they like slowly releasing stuff. And I'm like, bet, let me go see what I can get. So I just started adding some stuff and there was some stuff available. I freaking got the wrong size shoes. So either I'm gonna keep them and just deal with it being too big, or I'm gonna send them back. But I kind of feel like with the outfits, I need the shoes. So I don't know. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got. This is what the shoebox looks like. And I don't know if you can see it, but I'll post a picture. It's like Ivy Park embossed on this pretty mint green. Oh, and the color story of this release. Just everything. Just everything. It's iconic, That's it. Let's open the box. Okay, so shoes come in this bag, and the bag say Ivy Park, Adidas. Sidebar, whenever I be trying to spell like Adidas, I always have to say, all day I dream of, like a song where I can spell it. Disclaimer, I am short, and I also have big feet. That is an insecurity of mine, but somebody once told me in order to not be insecure about things, you should call them out or something. I don't know the exact wording, but basically, like, whatever. I can't help it, I got big feet. My feet are big. But anyways, these shoes are too big for me. So I don't really like them. The color scheme is cool, but they're just not the cutest shoe. They were cute online, but they're just not cute. They're just not cute. I don't know, but I do like this. So I might keep them. So then I got this bodysuit with puffy sleeves. This is really cute. So they had a sizing chart on the thing, and based on the sizing chart, I needed to get a medium, so I got a medium. So cute! And the material is nice and thick. I'm sticking my hand through it and you can't see through it, so that's really good. I hate see-through stuff. Like, I really hate see-through clothes. Like, Fashion Nova stuff is always see-through and I hate it. It has snaps, so easy access if you need to pee. Or I like the mesh on the sleeves. It's very good material. It don't look like it'll itch or anything like that. And it says Ivy Park. Okay, so I also got the lime green skirt. This is their mini skirt. Oh, it looks super short. I don't like my legs being out like that, but I'm probably still gonna keep it because I like it. Again, nice thick material, not see-through. I don't think your drawers gonna be showing in this, so this is good. It says Ivy Park down the side. Is the dress. This is cute. So I'm gonna try these on, see how I like them, and I'll post some pictures. So this is the completed look. I hope that you guys liked it. I hope that you like the pieces that I got. Let me know if you got some Ivy Park pieces or were you even interested. Comment down below. Please make sure that you like this video, guys. I'm on the road to get 300 subscribers. I know that sounds like nothing, but it's a lot to me because 300, then 400, then 500, and then boom, I'm rich. I'm just playing. But just please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends if you have friends that are interested in makeup or beauty tips, hair, fashion. Just send them over here. I would love to be their friends. Let's make them a bougie babe too. Join the family. Gang, gang, gang. Hit that bell notification and change it from personalized to all so that you get the notification when I upload. That way you ain't got to search my name, because Brushwork by Suzie Bougie is really long and I'm trying to help you not do that. But also, I have a slew of other videos that I have done that people love. I will link them around here. Watch some, hang around a while, you know? I mean, it's fun here. We have a good time, I promise you. So just hang out a bit. All right, thank you, bye!